de Legazpi. And ang role ko ay si Sofia. I'm the wife of Marcelo, ang son ni Carias. And I'm the mother of Chito. Gusto ko yung asawa ko, si Marcelo, makipagkasundo na sa kanyang father kasi mamamatay na yung father niya. The usual father and son, hindi sila nagkakasundo. And I've seen that in real life. There are lots of fathers and sons na somehow through the years, hindi sila nagkakasundo.
This will not help you.
Maraming mga lalaki na napaka-macho, ayaw tanggapin na kailangan mag-forgive. Ang entablado stage is really my true love. And recently, I've been taking acting classes, studying Meister, Chekhov, and Stanislavski. And I want to put this into practice, and that's why I'm back on the stage.